Portable car kettle, wholesale car, big truck, 12V 24V electric kettle, cigarette lighter, make tea, boiling cup, 1000 ml. Portable car kettle, a must-have for drivers on the go. If you're a driver who spends a lot of time on the road, you know how important it is to stay hydrated. But it can be difficult to find a place to heat up water when you're away from home. That's where a portable car kettle comes in. A portable car kettle is a small, lightweight appliance that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter. It allows you to boil water quickly and easily, so you can enjoy a hot cup of tea, coffee, or soup while you're on the go. There are many different types of portable